Pula. My name is Henry Seniloli, and I'm from Omnikor Rombauti Lebu. My mother is from Narua Imbua, and yes, I'm from Bau and Wasu Imbua. 50-50, I can say that.
What do you mean 50?
Serious and can be fun sometimes.
So why are you looking so serious?
Because I'm nervous.
Yeah. Nervous of who?
Of you.
What?
You.
Yeah? No, the camera? You okay with the camera? You're not nervous of the camera?
Nervous too.
Okay.
First of all is to just do my best, and the others will follow. My favorite movie is Spartans, 300 Spartans, and because of the technique of how they defend, because they only 300 of them, and they managed to beat their opponents.
You're going to use that in the game against England?
It relates to our game plan.
Will be a Spartan?
No, it's like how we defend and our tactics and techniques to overcome the other opponent. My favorite song is sung by the CMF choir. Is You Are My Portion. I started playing rugby in Vodafone Primary School. At class 8, I didn't play rugby from my early childhood. So yeah, after from Vodafone I went to grammar, 14, 15, then I went to RKS. 16, 17, and played twice in the under-19 grade, and I kept them the last year of my under-19 in RKS.
RKS beat Maris in the final. How did you feel?
I felt good, happy, and Maris says that 37 years is a long time, but for us, RKS, 10 years is a very long time for us.
Did you spoil any Maris, ex-Maris?
Actually,
what did you do?
Actually, we had a bet with two Marisol scholars with Aseli Tikurutuma and Gabriel Longkolab. We had a bet, $100 bet. So yeah, I was happy and proud of the boys that they gave me 200.
So you are loaded at the moment?
I finished. The money is finished. Not really. Yeah. Yep. Been there for some times. Plan of World Cup is to keep on training and we'll see where I'll go after. I do.
Yeah. What do you do? What's your best thing?
I cook. My favorite dish to cook is a curry.
What curry?
Chicken curry.
And people enjoy? Your family enjoy?
Oh yes, they say it's the number one.
Yeah?
Oh, it's hard to say it, and if you can come to the kitchen and I cook, then you can feel it. Yeah, my kitchen. Plenty.